What is LincAccess? It is a simple and secure remote access solution for LincStation users. How does LincAccess work on LincStation? LincAccess prefers a direct P2P connection. This gives you the best speed and privacy. If P2P fails, it uses secure relay mode. Your connection always stays alive. In relay mode, we provide limited bandwidth. Speed may be slower during peak hours. We never store your data on our servers. Your privacy is guaranteed. On Unraid and Docker, use our standalone Docker image. It's flexible and customizable. Set your own tunneling rules. You manage the rules and security. On LincOS, it's built in and ready to use. Before this video, you can also remotely access your LincStation NAS through LincOS. Now, let's get started. Part 1, log in and enable UPnP. First, log into Unraid at tower.local/login. Click Start to create your array. Go to Settings, switch Use UPnP to Yes, and click Apply. Part 2, add LincAccess in Docker. Open Docker and click Add Container. Name it LincAccess. Copy the app version from lincos.ai and paste it into repository. Add a port mapping, container 80 host 8090. Save and apply. Now open your NAS IP with 8090 in the browser. Part 3, register LincAccess on NAS. Enter your account, password, and a verification code. Click Start. If you see info, the NAS setup was successful. Part 4, set up the remote device. We switch to a different network for testing. Download LincAccess from lincos.ai. Extract the file, run as administrator, and log in with your account and code. Part 5, add port mapping. Click Add Port Mapping. Enter the remote NAS IP. First mapping, remote 8090 local 8090. Second mapping, remote 80 local 50001. Then click Start. Part 6, test remote access. In your browser, type 127.0.0.1:500001. The Unraid login page appears. Log in with your account and password. Now you've got remote access.